Hey, it's Greg on here with MaritimeGardening.com, and this pea trellis is totally done. The peas are done, and it's time to take this trellis down. And I wanted to show you how quick it is to take a trellis down when you've built the whole thing with jute twine. Did a video, last week I think, where I harvested my potatoes and I dismantled a trellis that I made with chicken wire, and that took a bit of time. Chicken wire is a lot easier to set up. Right, this takes a little bit longer to set up, but I'd say this trellis probably took half an hour to make or something like that. Watch how fast, how easy it is to take this thing down using, is anything, I'm just using a machete here for a theatrical effect, but anything sharp will do. Scissors would probably be as quick and probably a lot safer, but it doesn't get much more fun with machetes. And I got my safety Crocs on here, so you know. All right, let's go here. 3, 2, 1, go. That's all it takes. It's just using a machete I bought for $3 at an Army Navy store back in 1999. I hope you found that entertaining. I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. Until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Check out my podcast, MaritimeGardening.com. Thanks for watching.